How to add products to Shopify from Printify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. It's going to be a very simple process, so let's just go in and get to it. First, you will need to just go ahead and visit the App Store from Shopify. So to do so, you can just go and click on Apps from the bottom left. Go ahead and click on All Recommended Apps. And then just go and click on Shopify App Store, which should be at the bottom. From here, you simply just want to go ahead and search for Printify. And once you do that, you should be able to see it right away. It's going to be this one right here, Printify, and click on Install. From here, you simply just want to click on Install one more time. Next up, you will need to just go ahead and log into your Printify account, or if you don't have one, you can just go and click on the sign up button right here. So I already have an account, so I'm not going to go through the setup of creating an account for Printify. So if you are just about to create one, it's just going to ask you a few questions, answer them, and you should have an account and you should see this screen right in front of you. From this point, you simply just want to click on the catalog section. Go ahead and pick whichever type of products you actually want to add to your Shopify store. For example, I went for hoodies, and now you can just go in and browse the product that you actually want to add. Obviously, you will need to check the pricing point and the material and everything. So let's just say you picked one. You can just go in and click on it and then just click on Start Designing. So once you click on Start Designing, you have the ability to upload your own logo, edit the different variations that are, or variants, sorry, that are available. So if you want different colors you want to sell, you can just go and click on that and choose which colors you want to add. And then you simply, once you're actually happy with it, you can just go ahead and click on Save Product. And mind you, you also have the back side if you want to edit it. And some products also have sleeves and stuff, so it really depends on the product itself. From here, you get to pick the mockups that you want. Click on Save Selection once you're happy with them. Lastly, here we are going to be able to view them one more time and adjust the title of it and also the description. Just make sure that you actually add the proper description. Once you add the description, you can just scroll down and you're going to be able to add the shipping options, the pricing points, and obviously the publishing settings and all of these things. And once you're happy, you can just go and click on Publish from the bottom right. As you can see now, it says it's published, so we can just go to Products. And as you can see, we have the hoodie here in our Shopify store. So this is pretty much how to add products from Printify. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.